What's the matter? You want to go see? You want to see little puppies? Nah, lie down. Stay. You act like... Oh, gosh, it's so terrible. Yeah, don't look over there. You'll just upset yourself. Not everybody wants to see other birdie puppies. You're all right. What are you... What's your matter? What's your matter? Yeah, I'm videoing you. Yes. I know, you got your ears back to... Wow, what's over there? Oh, we're up. There they go. You saw them in the mirror. They're gone. You okay? You okay? You're so funny. You're a good girl. You're so funny. You alright? You okay? You want to go out? You want to go walk around the parking lot? Oh. Is that what it is? You want to go out, walk around? We just got back from our last stop. She's got it tough.